Hello everyone. So today we're going to do a science experiment for Fizzy Magic Potion. So let's start. I'll show you everything we need for this experiment. So this is baking soda, citric acid, blue color, red color, and there's a measuring cup, a bowl, and a spatula. So now we'll do the experiment. We need one bowl. We will put 25 ml of water in it. I'll measure the water with my measuring cup. There's 25 ml. So I'll pour the water in the bowl, and there it is. We'll mix 2 drops of blue color in it. And now we'll mix 2 drops of red color. Now we'll mix those colors. There we go, it's mixed. Now I'll use citric acid. And now I'll put baking soda in it. After we put the baking soda, we'll have, wow, the Fizzy Magic Potion. We're putting the baking soda in. And now wait for it, there! Fizzy Magic Potion. Do some spells with it. That was our Fizzy Magic Potion experiment. Hope you liked it. Now we'll add just a little bit more baking soda that was left in the spoon. So bye, see you next time. I hope you like this video and do this science experiment home. Bye.